I'll tell you the truth. It's never enough. It's never enough. I wish we could do more. We're doing everything that we can. But, you know, when you lose a life, you lose a life. What can you do about that? It's terrible tragedy.
Nakuimbestigahan yung mga flood control projects, ibibusisiin daw sa budget yung mga flood control.
Oh, sige.
What's been happening?
Wala akong problema. But also they have to realize there are two sides to this. Sinasabi yung flood control, talagang nang-overwhelm ang flood control natin. May flood control tayo, hindi kaya. Hindi talaga kaya dahil sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas, wala pang ganito. Ngayon lang natin haharapin ito. Kaya dapat maunawaan talaga ng tao, hindi lamang yung budget, hindi kung ano yung science. What's the science? Follow the science. See what's happening. Tignan ninyo, hindi lamang dito. Nakita nyo ba yung nangyari sa Espanya? Nakita nyo ba yung mga nangyayari sa iba't ibang lugar? Sa States, yung mga nangyayari. Ganyan din. Doon din sa mga lugar na yun, ngayon lang nangyari yan. Kaya gagawin natin, babaguhin natin ang mga design, patitibayan natin yung mga infrastructure, mga flood control, yung mga slope protection, pati yung mga tulay. Lahat yan, kailangan natin baguhin, tignan natin na mas magandang design. Para
time na i-order ang DNR to review or mag-implement muna ng moratorium sa mga development. Kasi yung isang reason bakit binabaha is yung mga development.
Well, that's always been a problem, but it's not been as severe as it is now. And again, it's climate change. It's something that never happened before. And it is something that we have to deal with. There's no other way.